sound effects. And I know some of you know what that is. But for those of you that don't, we're going to have two people come up, and they're going to be telling you about their trip in a very noisy place because we need sound effects. And who is going to do the sound effects? Two of you people out there, okay. Ooh, I want volunteers. Uh-oh. Who's noisy? Oh, yay. Where? In the back. Hand up. Hand up. Hand up if you want. Come on. Already. Where's that lady? She's making her way. I'm here. Oh, there you go. Alrighty. Now I need my people, which is Jess and Roger. Oh, I like this. And you're going to do the sound effects for Jess, and we're going to get you a microphone any minute here. Yeah. Here's yours. I'm Janine. I'm introducing it. Okay. I think we should see a lighter. Hello? Do a test. Yeah, tell us your name. Isn't it coming? Hello.
I'm working.
Hi there.
No, it's not on.
Oh, it's on.
It's on. Okay. All right, now you're going to be doing only Roger's sounds. You're going to be doing only Jess's sounds, and we're going to have a test. What's your name?
Dylan.
Dylan. If I say, Dylan, look at that cow over there. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to give you another one. Just scoot over just a tad so you don't get in this guy's thing. All right. I see a big old Brahma bull who's coming right to... Yeah, there you go. All right. Now I need a location. Where do we put these people that's very noisy?
Rodeo.
Rodeo. That's one. Any others?
Times Square, New York.
Times Square, New York. Any others?
Haunted house.
A haunted house. I think that's very appropriate. You're in a haunted house. Oh, you're doing sounds for her. That's Roger. What's your name? Barb. Barb. Are you on?
Hi, Barb. Yeah, Barb's on.
Yeah.
Speak up.
Yeah, speak up more. It's on.
I can't.
Oh, honey. Yeah, you can. Yeah.
It's on.
It's on.
I know, I can't.
We can hear you now.
Okay. Keep it up. Okay.
All right, let's go to this haunted house. And first of all, let's go to my motorcycle.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
All right, I think we're there. Okay. Come on, engine. My engine won't be quiet. I think my engine has stopped. It stopped. All right.
What is that sound? Is that a sound of a woman screaming?
No. Sweetheart, you just do me. See? Not her. It's gonna be a long night, but we'll make it. Okay, where were we before we got interrupted? Okay, let's quietly walk up the stairs. Let's walk up the stairs. Well, that's a ghost. I never saw it, but that must be a ghost.
And now the ghost is gone.
The ghost is gone.
The ghost is gone.
The ghost is really gone. The ghost is gone.
Someone must be eating food over here.
What is that? Is that the raven?
It sure is. We can still have fun, okay? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Evidently, it's somebody moaning.
I think that is cool. And I think somebody might want to kill the ghost.
I think we should kill the ghost. Bang!